Do you know who has the right of way at an intersection? If not, it's time to learn, because guessing could lead to serious consequences. Hi, I'm your driving instructor, and today we're diving into one of the most important driving rules, mastering the right of way at intersections. We'll break down who goes first and when, so you can stay safe, avoid fines, and feel confident on the road, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned driver. So here's the task for you. Which vehicle should pass through the intersection first in this scenario? Here are your options. Option 1, school bus, then black, and then yellow. Option 2, black, then school bus, and then yellow. Option 3, school bus, then yellow, and then black. Option 4, black, then yellow, and then the school bus. Pause the video and write your answer in the comments. At the end, you'll find out if you were right. I'll set the timer and give you 10 seconds to think it over. Alright, I hope you had time to make your choice because we're moving on to the breakdown of this task. In this scenario, we see 3 vehicles approaching a 4-way intersection. The school bus is going straight. The black car is also going straight. And the yellow car needs to turn left, crossing the intersection. Now, to solve this, we need to identify the type of intersection. There are 2 types, controlled and uncontrolled. As we can see, this intersection is uncontrolled. It doesn't have any traffic control systems to help determine the right of way, such as stop signs, yield signs, or traffic lights. When 3 vehicles arrive at an uncontrolled 4-way intersection at the same time, the rule is that the vehicle on the left must yield to the vehicle on the right. Here's how that works in our scenario. First, the black car has no vehicle to its right, so it can proceed straight through the intersection. Next, once the black car is crossed, the school bus can go because it now has no one to its right. Finally, the yellow car can turn left after the school bus crosses, as there's no vehicle remaining to its right. So the correct answer is option number 2. The black car, then the school bus, and then the yellow car. Congratulations if you chose it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. We'll be back soon with more questions like this. Drive safely and take care.